welcome back to This, That, and More. This is Jackie, and I'm so excited that you stopped by to watch this video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 DIYs at shopping your home and repurposing these items to use them for the decor. Whether you have changed your decor taste or if you just don't use those items anymore but would like to go ahead and reuse them someplace else, this video will be for you. So I'm so excited that you were able to stop by and watch this video. I want to say thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. I'm going to start first with this first DIY project. It is going to be this side table. I use this in my family room and I don't have this color scheme anymore. So since this is out of the color arrangements in my living room, I now am using more black accents. I wanted to match the coffee table in that room, which is a matte black. So this is going to be sprayed a matte black, and here I'm just going to go ahead and start cleaning it first because it is pretty dusty. So I'm going to go ahead and spray paint it, and then we'll go ahead and show you how I decorated this piece and where it went in my living space. Alright guys, so a couple of things to take into consideration when painting furniture. Number one, you want to identify what the furniture is made of. Is it a lacquer? Is it a wood grain furniture? Is it high gloss? Do you need to sand the furniture down? Two, you want to make sure that your paint is a good paint. Paint and primer will be the best one because there will be less time for you to have to give second coats. So this particular furniture that I'm using right now, I should have sanded, but because I had a gray spray paint, I didn't do it. What I will let you know is because it's semi wood, it's compressed wood, it still has grains in the wood. So I would recommend you to spray paint in the direction of the wood. You don't want to go against the grain of the wood because that would make it more difficult in the paint adhering. So always look at your furniture, take a look to see if it has grains, then spray paint or paint, if you're doing a regular paint, in the same direction that the wood grain is going. Now, had this not been a wood furniture, then you can spray paint it any way you want it. It doesn't necessarily have to go in a specific format. So this is the final look of the side table. I love the turnout. I love that matte black. It matches perfectly to the coffee table that I have in this space. And I just overall love the turnout of this table. And this is what happens when you refurbish your own furniture. You get the look that you're looking for without having to spend that extra money. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. I am completely happy with the outlook. The branches turned out amazing. I'm so happy with the turnout. going to create a centerpiece using this vase, removing this birch wood that I had before. The nice birch wood, but I'm just going to use that in a different location of the house, and I'm just going to repurpose this vase so I don't have to go out and buy one. Go ahead and wrap some twine around the vase and give it just a little bit more of a nicer look. And here is the final look, you guys. An easy DIY project that cost me absolutely nothing. And this is for just repurposing items that I already had and using nature's best gift. And for DIY number 3, I'm actually doing a wreath. I just wanted to spray paint some of that snow on these pine cones first. So I don't want to do too much. I just wanted to have a little bit of that snow feel. Alright, let's go inside and let's assemble the wreath. And here is the wreath, and this is a bare twigs all twined in together. I've actually had this wreath for many years, and originally I got this from a friend and they didn't want it anymore. It was its natural color of twigs, and I actually spray painted it white many years ago, and now I am just changing it up a bit. And I'm gonna be adding some winter berries to this wreath just to give it that winter vibe again, along with the pine cones that I spray painted the snow. Got these winter berries in Christmas time and from the Dollar General by my home, and they were, I think, were $2 each, but I thought that this would give it a nice winter feel. and add some color to my front door. And here is the final look, you guys. I love the way this turned out. Again, a DIY project that didn't cost me anything because I reused the things I already had. But it is beautiful. It gives in the winter feel and it makes my door look beautiful. I hope you guys like this one. Alright, so for DIY number 4 is the final project. I just am gonna repurpose this vase. I wasn't even using this vase. It was in the garage and storage, and I figured that I can go ahead, spray paint it white, and then just use it for my decor. so I had to spray paint it about 2 or 3 times, and at the end it did leave a mark. The spray paint that I was using wasn't great, so it did leave a mark where the paint got messed up, but I'm still gonna go ahead and use it and just hide it. I'm gonna go ahead and twine the top part of the vase and just give it a little bit more of a contrast. Alright guys, so this is the final look of it. Look how pretty it looks. It almost looks illuminated, and I know that is the lights, and then the twine around it just give it a perfect contrast. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video and watching to the end. This is the final outlook, and I hope that you will try these DIYs in your home. Again, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day.